how's it going? It's Hudabiya. Today in this tutorial we will gonna discuss how multiple if-else statement work in C++. So you just need to follow me and watch this tutorial with full concentration. So guys, let's start it. First of all, if-else statement is basically a type of conditional statement or decision-making statement. So if-else statement is used when multiple choices available and only one is to be executed on the basis of condition. Here the syntax of multiple if-else statement is use if keyword and then within parentheses use a condition and then second condition and then third up to so on. You can use multiple condition in if-else if. So guys, here get this point. If you have more than one statement then written in curly braces or delimiters, so all the blocks can never be executed at the same time. So guys, get this point. All the blocks can never be executed at the same time, but only one block is to be executed on the basis of condition. So guys, here if this one condition is becomes true, then only this block is to be executed and all others are skipped. If this one condition becomes true, then only this statement or this block can be executed and the other one is skipped. If no one condition is true, then the last one else block must be executed. So guys, here take an example. Take input from the user radius and it's depending on user choice. If user enter 1, it should calculate or display area of circle on the screen, and then if user enter 2, it should calculate circumference of a circle and display it on the screen. If user enter any other value or another input, so it should display invalid choice. So guys, here first open dev C++, and here I have already typed the main syntax of the program. So I'll just come into the main function and here declare variables float. You can see that area is calculated in decimal value, so I have used here float data type and then area, and then the second one that I will use radius and then circum. So guys, here terminate this, and now again you can see that for choice getting choice from the user, that is integer type 1 and 2. So I will use integer choice and then terminate this, and now cout, enter radius and then terminate this, and now cin for taking radius. So guys, here radius variable is used here, so I will use radius and then terminate this, and now here I will use cout, please enter 1 for area and 2 for the circumference. So guys, here user may enter 1 and 2 depending on their choice. So guys, here I have used choice variable, so I will use here for taking input cin choice variable and then terminate this. Now condition using if within parentheses use your condition. If choice is equal to 1, if user enter 1, you can see that it should calculate area and display it on the screen. So guys, area of a circle is pi r square and the value of pi remain constant 3.14 multiplied by r. So I will use here radius variable. So radius variable here multiply by radius variable and then terminate this. Now it's time to print area of the screen. So guys, here use cout and then area is equal to, and then it should display area, and you can see that after calculating area the value is assigned to area variable. So guys, here use area variable and then terminate this. Now come out of the body, and now here use your second condition using else, if, and within parentheses use your second condition. If choice is equal to 2, then it should display on the screen circumference. So I have used circum variable here. So circum is equal to, formula of circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So I have used 2 multiply by pi value 3.14 multiply by r is radius here. So guys, here now it's time to print circumference. So guys, with a double quotes, circumference is equal to, and then after calculating circumference, it should assign to circum variable. So I have used circum variable circum and then terminate this, and now come out of the body and here use your last condition, that is just a message that display on the screen. So I won't be using here any type of delimiters or curly braces. So I will simple write up a message cout and then invalid input. So guys, if you can enter any other input, then it should display invalid input. Save this program and execute, compile and done. Now you can see that the output is enter radius. So I will enter 4P5 and then please enter 1 for area and 2 for circumference. So I will enter 2. It should display circumference. You can see that it should display on the screen circumference. So guys, here again run this program and you can see that I have enter 4, 5, 6 again and enter this. Please enter 1 for area and 2 for circumference, and I will enter 9 here. So you can see that invalid input is print on the screen. So guys, here I hope this smart video will really help you. If you like the video, then click on like button, subscribe button and share button. If you have any queries, then comment below. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.